In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the requester portal in Freshservice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tweak, so your portal looks polished, on-brand, and easy for requesters to use. Start inside your Freshservice account and head to Admin, then Account Settings, and open Service Desk Rebranding. From there, select Customize Support Portal. This brings you into the customization area where all the visual and layout options live in one place. Begin with basic branding. Update the portal name to something clear and recognizable so requesters know they're in the right place. Next, set the portal URL. Choose a clean, memorable address that aligns with your company's domain conventions. Consistency here helps with trust and discoverability. Upload your logo and favicon so your branding shows up in the Browser tab and across the portal. A transparent, high-resolution logo generally looks best. Then set your brand colors. Apply your primary and secondary colors thoughtfully to headers, buttons, and links, and check that text remains readable. High contrast between text and background goes a long way for accessibility and reduces support friction. If you want more control over the look and feel, go to the Style Sheet tab in Portal Customization and paste your custom CSS. This is where you can fine-tune typography, adjust spacing, and harmonize color accents beyond the default settings. Keep your CSS organized and scoped to portal elements to avoid unintended changes. It's wise to make incremental edits. Verify how they appear across different pages, and maintain a simple, maintainable style layer so future updates are easy. Next, adjust layout and pages. Here you can refine the structure of the portal, its header, footer, and the home page layout. In the header, ensure your logo and navigation are clear and minimal, prioritizing links that requesters use most. In the footer, include concise, helpful links like policies or a knowledge base entry point, keeping it uncluttered. On the home layout, arrange sections to guide people to top categories, popular service items, or self-help articles. A clean layout reduces clicks, speeds up resolution, and makes the portal feel intuitive. That's the core of portal customization in Freshservice. Access the rebranding area, apply your basic branding, enhance visuals with CSS if needed, and refine the layout so it's simple and helpful. Take a moment to review your changes as a requester would, and keep your design consistent with your organization's identity. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized portal.